looking good. Now assembling, a little bit of a fiddly process with the curved backs because they require a little bit more jiggling, but in they go, and things aren't looking too bad. Just give them a bit of a bump down just to temporarily hold them before I move on to assembling the other half of the chair. These parts are going in nice and easily. Looking pretty good, and now just the last 4 holes to be filled. Get them pushed in before I give them a whack with a hammer on a piece of wood to lock them in all nice and tight. Looking pretty good. Move the prototype chair out of the way. Make a bit of room before I bring over some previously worked on backs, which are a little bit curved. They'll do as just a temporary seat for this test. Will it take my weight? Or yes, it will. I'm pretty pleased with that. Now the next job is to put the webbing on the seat.